Welcome to API Hub. I'll show you how to make an API request easily. First, we'll go to our dashboard. Then let's go to My APIs section. We will use a Star Wars API for this example. In this view, we'll find a documentation section, API Playground, and an MCP Playground. We will copy the API key from the upper part by clicking on the I and then copying the key. After that, we have to go to the reference section where we will have a detailed list of the available endpoints. We are going to look for an endpoint. In this case, the films endpoint, which will allow us to list all the Star Wars films. We'll use Postman to make the test request. First, we go to the authorization section, where we will select the auth of type, bearer token. And we have to paste our API key. Now we'll copy the endpoint. And now we're ready to make our first API request and get all the films.